Hello student, let's try to understand integrated first order reaction for gaseous equation student. Let us see if A gaseous equation are there student, it is converting into B gaseous equation plus C gas student. So if the T is equal to 0 student, so it is initial pressure is supposed to be Pi and here there is no product, so 0 student. If you are going T is equal to T equilibrium student, so it is Pi minus x student, and this is the, suppose it is the x and here is a x student, this is. Now P total student, P total means what student? Sum of partial pressure, this is sum of partial pressure of all component at equilibrium student, at equilibrium. Up dear student, here you see this will be Pt is equal to what we can write student? Pi minus x plus x plus x. So here student, this minus x plus x will be out student. So Pt is equal to what will be there student? Pi plus x. This is the equation, right? Dear student, when you are writing the from first order, you see from first order what we write actually from first order. So k is equal to, it is 2.303 upon t is equal to, it is the into, here it will be the log, not nothing but here log Pi upon what is there student? Pt. So Pi of reactant student, Pi of reactants and Pt of reactants that you can write. So here you see student, what are there? This is the remaining pressure. No, Pt means remaining pressure. So how can you calculate? So Pt you see, so P I am writing in the term of A, P in the term of A at time t, at time t. How you will calculate? So it is there student, what is there? Pi minus x, this is there. So Pa is equal to Pi minus x, this is there, and x value from here we can get student, from equation 1 we can get the x value. So here x is equal to how much you will get student? Pt minus Pi. Okay, this is, so x value we are talking about here is student Pi is minus x value, how much is there student? Pt minus Pi, Pt minus Pi, Pt minus Pi student, this is Pt going to be minus Pi. So you solve it out student. Pi is there, minus into plus, this is minus Pt, minus into minus, that is going to be plus Pi. So Pi is student, this is 2Pi minus Pt, 2Pi minus Pt student. So this is what student? Pa at t student, at t, right? So from first order you can write student very easily from first order. So k is equal to 2.303 upon t log initial pressure, that is Pi, final pressure what? 2Pi minus Pt. This is the integrated equation of the first order gaseous equation student. So this is very simple student, you can easily do. Thank you very much for watching students.